Hello everyone, it's me, Jimmy, and welcome back to the Satoshi Chase. Back on the charts, and today we're playing it cool. The market's gently correcting, and we're using it to our advantage, opening a couple of positions, slowly lowering that break-even price. We are slightly in the red, but is that really a loss yet? Let's talk about that. But first, let's check the charts. We can see how things are going down. For example, this is how much? Around 7% down, or slightly more if we look it over here, but that's okay. Our position is only 5 cents, and we're going to open another 5 cents just to lower that break-even price, or said in other words, buy the dip. We're going to remain as is, around 2% down, which means we would like to see a 2% increase in price to be around over here probably. Yes, and over here we can take 100% of our position, which means 10 cents. I know it's not a lot, but since our margin is 10 cents, it's quite a good profit. Let's check repo. It was down. We should have filmed the episode earlier today because at around over here I would have opened an additional position just to again lower that break-even price, but since it is slightly going up, I'm not going to open. We need 6% increase. Most probably we will see a decrease in price, but who knows. Right now we are going to remain as is, and for BNB it's how much? 3.5% down. We need more to open an additional position, and we need it green if we want to close the position. Let's check Bitcoin for a second. Yep, same thing. It went slightly down and now it's back up with a slightly red candle. I mean fully red candle, but it's slightly down, not a lot down. Let's check our profit and loss details. Okay, we are in the red today, which is expected, but only fees and commissions, so it's quite a negligible amount of loss. There's a quiet illusion that every trader faces: the portfolio screen. You log in, you see green, your heart jumps, you imagine what you could do with the extra money. But here's the hard truth: none of that is real. Not yet. When your position is still open, whether it's up or down, it's what we call unrealized profit or unrealized loss. In simpler terms, it's just a possibility, a scenario, an unfinished story. The price may be up now, but one sudden move, one unexpected week, and everything can change. It's not profit until it's closed. It's not loss until it's realized. This is where many beginners and even experienced traders lose their edge. They act on emotions. They celebrate too early or panic too soon. They chase the green or flee the red without thinking long term. And more often than not, they end up closing at the worst possible moment, either locking in a tiny win that could have been massive or crystallizing a temporary dip into a permanent loss. But there's another side to this too. Open positions give you control. They are your window of opportunity. If the market turns against you, you can manage this risk. You can average down, like we're doing today, or you can hedge with a counter position. If the market's in your favor, you can tighten your stop loss, take partial profits, or simply wait. Patience in trading is not passive, it's tactical. The market constantly tests your psychology. It wants you to act on emotion, but our edge lies in recognizing that numbers are not reality until they're finalized. A $5 profit can vanish in a second. A $50 loss can reverse just as quickly. The phrase "don't count your chickens before they hatch" hits harder in trading than anywhere else. Until the trade is closed, it is Schrodinger's PNL. Both profit and not profit at the same time. So, next time you feel the rush seeing green or the panic seeing red, remind yourself this isn't the end of the trade, it's a checkpoint, a moment, a signal to stay calm, stay rational, and make your next move wisely. Because in this game, patience doesn't just protect you, it pays you. So we'll keep the trades open, stay patient, and let the market do its thing. Because this journey isn't about chasing numbers, it's about controlling the narrative. And ours still unfolding. See you in the next episode. Peace.